Right, so I'll show you the delay end function on this machine. Right, delay end is different from time delay because time delay delays the start of the wash. So you add and on the amount of hours that you want to start before the end of the before the start of the wash begins. Delay end delays the end of the wash. So that means it's set 2 hours a minute. So press it once and that says 3 hours. Well, that's not 3 hours of time delay and 2 hours wash. That's 1 hour time delay and 2 hours of washing. Right. Now the best way to as it goes up to 19 hours. Right. If I select right, 3 hours 30, press the delay end, the first one should be 3 hours. It's not, it's 4 hours. Right, that's half an hour time delay, 3.5 hours washing. Right, put the delay end, it's 2 minutes. So, if you just wait 2 minutes, you'll see what I mean. 3 hours total, 2 hours 58 washing. As you can see there, that the delay icon flashes. It's in delay mode. Delay light's on as well. Here. When delay end finishes, it will that will go out and that will go off as well. And let's delay end June.